Hi, today video I talk about static pod. We already know the what is pod. Pod is the one of the smallest unit that helps to run the container in the Kubernetes cluster. So that pod are deployed manually, but here you can see the static pod we will deploy in automate way. Let's see how to do this. I open my Kubernetes console. Here there are so many static pod are defaultly run in that Kubernetes cluster. First we can see the list of pods kubectl get pod and -e. This command will show the what are the pods defaultly in the Kubernetes cluster. You can see these all are the pods defaultly run in the Kubernetes cluster. Here this etcd API server control manager scheduler, these all are the static pods because the static pods configuration files are in the manifest file. Wait, I will show that. Type this command ls etc kubernetes slash manifest. Enter. So here you can see it will show the configuration file. There are four configuration file here. One is the etcd API server controller and scheduler. Because if you place this your configuration file in this manifest file, it will automatically deploy the resource what the resource in that configuration file. You can see etcd here, the etcd pod running here. So if I delete this part, it will automatically recreate again because this manifest file have created again. So it can create the automate way to create the resource that configuration file plays it in the manifest file. So let's see, I delete this part, copy this kubectl delete pod and type the pod name and here type the namespace. This is the kube system namespace. Enter. Now you got response, the pod is deleted. But you can again type this command kubectl get pod -a. You can see the pod is running as 8 seconds ago. Started 8 seconds ago. So this means if you can place the configuration file in the manifest file, it will automatically create. Okay, let's I create one configuration file and place it in that manifest folder. First I go to move to this directory. I copy this and type the command cd and paste this path. Enter. Now we are in the manifest directory. Now I create a one file. I give the name demopod.yaml. Enter. Okay, here I go to Kubernetes documentation, go to search, type pod. Wait, it will show again. Here you click this pod Kubernetes and scroll above, and now here I copy this configuration and I paste here. Here they will mention the pod name Nginx and the container name Nginx. This is the image of the Nginx and is the specific version. Now I save this file. Type ls. Now you can see our configuration file also added in that manifest directory. But I add only the configuration file. I did not apply this file. But you can see the pod is created because we can place our configuration file in the manifest directory. So you can see, let's type this command. You can see the one pod is created, name Nginx, created 31 seconds ago. So this is a static pod. We can place any configuration file in the manifest. It will do the automate deployment. So if I delete this pod, it will again recreate because this configuration file placed in the manifest directory. Thank you.